Also, she is a regional qualifier during the Regional Festival of Parents Food Processing.
The General Academic Strand Advisor, Ma'am Melchi Grace Hasito Pamo. Alcantara Jomar Valdez. Ancheta Joshua Estilo with honors, World Immersion Award and Best Research Paper. Bajo Giancarlo Matammo with honors, World Immersion Award and Best Research Paper. Bajo John Vincent Matammo with honors, World Immersion Award, Champion, Kawaii Tourism Promotional Video Contest and Best Research Paper. Baldonado Alexis Soriano with honors, World Immersion Award and Award in Performing Arts. Kalimag Brent Gazer Cruz with honors, World Immersion Award and Award in Performing Arts. Casilen Giovanil Donato with honors, World Immersion Award, Champion, Kawaii Tourism Promotional Video Contest and Award in Performing Arts. Galiema Jerwin Barcel with high honors, World Immersion Award and Award in Performing Arts. Gotango Vincent Butak with high honors, World Immersion Award, Champion, Kawaii Tourism Promotional Video Contest, Award in Performing Arts and Leadership Award. Jose Michael Ray Soriano with honors, World Immersion Award and Award in Performing Arts. Juan Patrick Sandoval with high honors, World Immersion Award, Outstanding Performance in Mathematics and Best Research Paper. Sambo Dominic Lomoxo with honors and World Immersion Award. Ian Gendry Ihano with honors, World Immersion Award, Champion, Kawaii Tourism Promotional Video Contest. Reza Raymar Rufino with honors and World Immersion Award. Tomas John Paul Azuero Immersion Award with high honors. Amra Lani Mina World Immersion Award. Banyes Cheryl Nicole Gabriel with honors World Immersion Award and Best Research Paper. Basubas Marjorie Mariano with honors World Immersion Award and Award in Performing Arts. Bukasas April Paraman with honors and World Immersion Award. Colorado Jasmine Joy Danao with highest honors World Immersion Award Champion Hawaiian Tourism Promotional Video Contest Youth Leadership and Excellence Award. Most Outstanding Young Leader of SDO Hawaiian Leadership Award District Literary House Reading in Tandem Champion Division Literary House Reading in Tandem Qualifier District of Talent Sulat Tanghal Champion Division of Talent Sulat Tanghal Champion and Regional of Talent Sulat Tanghal Qualifier and Leadership Award. Also, Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts. Corpus Venus Avenoa. Rapina Mikaela Molina with honors World Immersion Award and Best Research Paper. Espiritu Real Kanya with honors and World Immersion Award. Eliana Princess Naila Alcantara with high honors World Immersion Award and Leadership Award. Leheta Jennifer Rababo with high honors World Immersion Award and Leadership Award. Nakabasto Jasmine Bukasas with high honors and World Immersion Award. Manuel Roy Rose Marinas with honors World Immersion Award and Best Research Paper. Aliyah Nicole Gandias with Honors Work Immersion Award and Award in Performing Arts. Ma'am Rachel Merfer Gamboa with highest honors and work immersion award. Pedrosa Marian Molina with honors and work immersion award. Sambo Zian Kamjama with honors and work immersion award. Santos Jenica Maynardo with highest honors, work immersion award, outstanding performance in arts, district literary joust champion, division literary joust champion, division school press conference second place, regional school press conference fourth place, and best research paper. Sapad Mayan Gusto with highest honors, work immersion award, outstanding performance in social science, outstanding performance in science. Sebastian Luis Pascual with honors and work immersion award. Teresa J. Canedo, Work Immersion Award and Best Research Paper. Teresa Jeanette Genova with honors and Work Immersion Award. Teresa Rochelle Soniega, Work Immersion Award. Kailan Aliyah Ashley Galot with honors and work immersion award. Kailan Shana Sofia Galot with high honors and work immersion award.